I'm Derek Weekly with Airstream Answers. Today we're going to cover generators on the Atlas and the Interstate. On the Atlas, it's a diesel generator. On the Interstate, it's an LP generator. Controls are in different places. We're going to start with the Atlas. The control panel is located inside the door here, the top compartment. What you'll do is you'll turn it on with the red button, and then you push the green button to start. There'll be about a 2-minute delay for the generator to warm up, and then you'll hear a beep, and then there'll be power to the coach. And that's all there is to starting the generator. If you do have the generator running and you do not have power in the coach, there are 2 circuit breakers on the generator itself, and we will show you the location of those switches. From time to time those can trip. It's very easy to reset, and then you'll have power to the coach. On the Atlas, we're going to go to the passenger side of the vehicle, to the first compartment behind the rear wheel. You will raise this up until it holds up. Push on this, lift slightly. These 2 pins will come out, and now we can see the generator. On the diesel generator, it's a little different than on the Interstate LP generator. This one has a red reset button. It'll be popped out like this if it's tripped, and all you're going to do is just push it back in so that it's level, and you should have power to the coach if it's tripped. Now on the 2018 Interstates and newer, you're going to have this touchscreen panel, and on the home screen you're going to see the generator hours and start and stop. You're just going to make sure that the LP switch is turned on outside, and we'll show you that in a minute. And then you're just going to push start, hold on that screen. It'll delay for just a second, then it'll fire right off, and it tells you how many hours are on your generator. Again, there'll be about a 2-minute pause while the generator warms up. You'll hear a beep, and then power will be installed to the coach. On the Interstate also, they're on the secondary panel just inside the sliding side door is also a start and stop button for the generator. The generator is an LP generator on the Interstate, and it's located behind the rear axle, midship of the coach. And this right here, this chrome screw head, you're just going to turn that, and this plate then will come off, and then you'll be able to see the switches to the circuit breaker for the generator. All right, once you get the back cover off of the LP generator, you're going to look for a black toggle switch like this one here. That is the circuit breaker that you'll find inside that hatch cover. Just flip that, make sure it's in the on position, and again, power will be restored to the coach. I'm Derek Weekly with Airstream Answers. Thank you for watching our video. I'm here at Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers. If you have any questions about this video or any of the other videos, please give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. And if by chance this video didn't cover the problem that you're having, feel free to contact our service department. We are one of the largest dealers in the country. We have over 140 service bays to service you. Thank you.